Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I want to introduce you my new Transfix Matte Concealer. This ultralight, smooth, blendable, medium to full coverage modern matte concealer is made with exclusive micronized pure pigments in a flexible formula. It is absolutely transfer proof, stays comfortable and in place all day. Triple anti-aging extract improves cell detoxification, providing the skin with excellent hydration benefits from Vitis Vita, which is a Vitalab technology. It also contains hyaluronic acid and collagen to soothe and soften the skin, giving long-lasting moisture and comfort. This unique formula can also be used as a foundation. It comes in 23 neutral and correcting shades to highlight, contour and correct.